So this hotel is $9 a night or £6.50. We're in Ho Chi Minh City. I think this is one of the best value hotels I could find. So let me give you a quick tour and you can let me know what you think. Right, so let's give you a room tour then. So as you walk in, on the left you have some extra storage, which is really handy. You have plenty of hangers and plenty of space just to plop down your stuff to stop cluttering up the room. Nice little please make up the room and do not disturb sign. So we have the bathroom on the left. So for $9 a night, I think this bathroom is spot on. Really clean, pretty modern, decent sized shower. I haven't actually tried the shower, so I might press it now. I never know which one it comes out of. So let's check the water pressure. So yeah, pretty decent water pressure. So hot and cold, ideal. You switch it over. So you get the rain shower as well. Again, for $9 a night, or £6.50, that is pretty insane. Honestly, I was really expecting like a budget setup. So 2 towels, ideal. Body wash included, shampoo included, comb, toothbrush, and what else have they packed in here? Oh, some more shampoo and shower gel. So yeah, perfect really. In this toilet, you actually get toilet paper, so that's ideal. But you also get the bum squirter. Yeah, pretty decent pressure to be fair. Not too hard, not too soft. So yeah, I mean, this is perfect. I mean, what more would you want, really? Voila! So cringe. Right, anyway, this is the bedroom. So, 2 nice seats. We've got a fridge in this one, which is really handy for if you want to store anything away. So we have aircon, which is brilliant. We've got the fan on the top if you want some added extra wind. TV remote. Right, so let's test the bed. Oh, that's quite nice, to be fair. Oh, that's almost perfect. Super comfy pillows. I think I'll sleep like a baby tonight. Oh, that is heaven. Right, again, we'll go with firmness. 10 being concrete, 0 being like a cloud. Oh, this is for me, this is perfect, but everybody's different, aren't they? So for me, I'm gonna go 7 out of 10. So I think that's spot on, to be honest. So yeah, I'm well happy with that. Oh, some nice little bonuses. We've got a hairdryer, which I've not had yet. Perfect. Phone if you need reception. You have a kettle, some cups, so if you do want to bring some tea bags in, gives you something to make, some spoons, little desk to work at if you're working remotely. So, good morning. I slept incredible, 10 out of 10, nothing woke me up. The temperature is perfect. One of the downsides is there is no window, but one of the upsides is it's completely pitch black, so that's brilliant for sleeping. The aircon and the fan really help keep the temperature as you want it. Really, really quiet, really comfy bed. Probably one of the best beds I've slept in for a while. Again, $9 or £6.50 a night. It's just insane value. So last night I went to the mall that I keep seeing, the Aeon Mall. They're obviously quite popular around Ho Chi Minh City, so I thought I'd go there and check it out. So yeah, that was interesting, having a little walk around and taking in what the locals are up to. Ended up getting some sushi because I haven't had it in probably over a year, so I think that cost me about £4.50 for the set. I'll show you in front of this. And yeah, just people watching, so just taking it all in. I enjoy just sitting back and watching it all unfold, really. So I enjoyed the mall for an hour, then I decided to find a local sort of cafe and just again sit back and enjoy a drink and just watch the craziness of Ho Chi Minh City. But in the area you have got a few things to do. Like I say, the mall where I went to, you're not a million miles away from the airport. It's about 15 minutes away, so again, if you wanted somewhere to stay close to the airport, this is great. Also, there's a golf course I checked out on the map, which isn't a million miles away. I think that's about 15-20 minutes away. I also had a walk this morning down the road because I spotted a Buddhist temple yesterday, so I wanted to check that out. So that was really nice to see. But yeah, there's bits and bobs to do in the area if you just like nosying around and sitting in local cafes. Again, it's not in the centre, but the airport isn't a million miles away, so for me I'd probably use this as like an airport hotel stay. or if you really are obviously on a budget, like I say, for the price, you just have to commute into the centre, which maybe takes about 30 minutes, 40 minutes at a push. So yeah, I can't recommend it enough. I'm honestly, I'm well impressed with this place. Super clean. I'd say it's modern enough really. The staff are friendly. The security guard, every time I walk by, is sleeping. So I can't see him putting up much of a fight if anything goes down. But yeah, really like it actually. I'd stay longer, but I want to review as many hotels as I can and experience as much as I can. So yeah, so let's do the rating. So for value, everything included in terms of things to do in the area, the hotel itself, and all that put together in one, I am going to give this, I'm going to go high. I'm going to go an 8.7. I'm going an 8.7. So that's the score to beat at the moment. So yeah, we'll see how we get on, and I'll get recording some more videos to post. Like I said, this is my second video on YouTube. So, oh yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because I say I'm new to this. I've got 1 subscriber, but we all have to start somewhere, don't we? And I'm enjoying doing it, so that's the main thing. But yeah, I think that wraps it all up, to be honest. So yeah, see you in the next one.